Welcome to Level 2 Speak Your Mind Stamped Bracelet Cuff. Before we begin our project, make sure that your block is on a level and sturdy surface and positioned in a diamond shape in front of you. Begin by pulling the blue film off the front and back of your 14 gauge 1/4 inch brass bracelet. Using a ruler, find the center of your 6-inch bracelet and mark it at 3 inches with a Sharpie marker. For this project, we will be using the Bracelet Sticker Guides book. From that book, you are going to pull out a bracelet sticker guide. You are going to adhere the sticker guide by matching your 3-inch Sharpie dot to the orange center middle line on your sticker guide. You also want to make sure that the thin blue horizontal line that runs across your sticker matches up with the bottom edge of your bracelet blank. You will notice that there are 2 sets of hash marks under the blue horizontal line that runs across your sticker guide, and those are for stamping in the center of your 3/8 and 5/8 bracelet blanks. Using a pen, write your message or word on your stamp guide utilizing the space in between your orange and black hash marks. I've pulled out my word in the 3mm Bracelet uppercase and placed it on my non-dominant side with the ImpressArt facing upward and my hammer on my dominant side. Place your stamp flat on the blank above the corresponding letter on your sticker guide. Remember, brass is a harder metal, so we will be using the tilt and tap technique to ensure that your impressions are full and even. Remember to put pressure on your stamp and firmly anchor your hand while tilting and tapping your stamps. When you are finished stamping, remove your sticker guide. Our next step is our stamp enamel. Remove the cap and run the tip of your marker over the stamped areas, making sure the enamel is applied evenly. Wait 2 to 3 minutes until the enamel has set inside of your impressions. Using a household paper towel, lightly dab your stamped impressions and follow that up by lightly wiping away the excess enamel. Our next step is bending and forming our bracelet. Using our bracelet bending bar, insert the bracelet into the channel with your word or quote facing upward. Firmly place your thumb up against the bracelet. Take the palm of your hand and bend it halfway around the bar, making sure not to overbend it. Now you're going to bend the other side. Place your other end of your bracelet inside of the channel with your thumb firmly against it. Now take the palm of your hand and bend it over halfway. For our last step, take your bracelet bending plier and place it in the center. Match the curvature of the bracelet to the curvature of the plier. Give it one forceful squeeze in the center and begin forming your bracelet by squeezing and releasing the pliers, working your way around the bracelet on both sides.